Hey, what's up? This is Fred Livai, VP of Sales at Improve My Score, and I wanted to let you guys know about a new series I'm about to be bringing out. Series here on YouTube, and it's going to be titled Tough Love. And in the series, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and, you know, there's a lot of fake people on YouTube. There's a lot of people that don't keep it real. And what I want this series to be about is tough love. You know, I'm going to give it to you real. I'm going to give it to you raw. I'm going to talk to you guys, and some people might get offended. They might find it offensive. But at the end of the day, you know, it's just that tough love that we all want to bring to the people in our lives. And whether you like it or not, by you watching this video, you're part of my life. You know, you're part of me growing. And what better way for me to grow than to help those around me grow? And so, again, with this video series, and I'm going to bring it to you periodically. You know, it might be here and there, but I will do my very best to just give it to you guys the way I see it. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be taking information from my clients and the stuff that they're going through, and I'm just going to go ahead and break it down into short little snippets, short little stories, short little you know, things that are going on in people's lives. Because if it's happening to one person, it's definitely happening to somebody else as well. So in this video series that I want to bring to you guys called Tough Love, you know, I'm just going to give it to you guys the way it is. You know, just like I would speak with a little brother or a little sister, you know, because I got them, and some of them aren't, you know, they ain't got everything together. So the way I'll talk to them is the way I'm going to bring these videos out to you guys. Sometimes, you know, people should be ashamed of themselves, and that's just what it is. We know if that's us. You know, if I'm talking to you, you know, so be it. I'm talking to you. I'm just letting you know, get it together. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get your stuff together, because at the end of the day, I want what's best for you. I want what's best for you and your family. And without getting it together, if you stay in the same place, you can always be in the same place. So I don't want you guys there. I want you guys to do better. But how could you do better if you don't know better? So with that being said, you know, keep an eye out. You know, please like the video if you like the video. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, so when I do upload any new videos, you'll be notified, and you can go ahead and watch the video, see what I'm talking about. But it's definitely going to be some stuff coming. Like I said, I'm just going to take the information from the people that are in my life, whether it's a client, family member, whatever the case might be. You know, I'm just going to take those examples and show you guys how this game really works. You know, the type of advice that I give, you know, you guys are going to be able to see that firsthand. So again, thank you for watching this video. Again, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so that you guys know what's going on. Keep an eye on what's going on. So with that being said, thank you for watching the video, and I will get with you guys soon.